Busta Rhymes enjoys getting this whole family together, including his 6 kids, Sia Woodsmith, Mariah Miskelly, Tkai Woodsmith, Casey Smith, Trillian Woodsmith and Sicario Smith. The rapper, whose real name is Trevor Smith, shares 3 sons, Sia, Tkai and Trillian, with his ex-girlfriend Joanne Wood. Rhymes was confirmed to be the father of Mariah after her mother, Jill Miskelly, filed a paternity suit in 1999, the Associated Press reported at the time. The names of Casey and Sicario's mothers are not public, but in 2023, he talked about the emotional difficulties of having children with 4 different women on the podcast The Diary of a CEO. "I definitely live with guilt," Rhymes said. "I feel like there was things that I could have done without to be there for my children. You're dealing with 4 mothers all having you in court systems, all getting significant amount of money for child support, all not in the best place relationship-wise with you." He added, "Your kid didn't ask to be put in a situation that you cannot do what you're supposed to do for them. That's not their problem. You have to find a solution. It's a lot." From thanking them in award speeches to collaborating on a song as a family, here's everything to know about Busta Rhymes' kids, Sia Woodsmith, Mariah Miskelly, Tkai Woodsmith, Casey Smith, Trillian Woodsmith and Sicario Smith. Sia Woodsmith. Rhymes and Wood welcomed their son Sia Woodsmith in February 1993, according to Proballers. Rhymes told Men's Heel Thin 2023 that he had his first child when he was starting in his career. "I was the youngest in Leaders of the New School to have a child," the rapper said, recalling how he first entered the music industry in the late 80s. "That forced me to understand the seriousness of what becoming a man was. Hip-hop provided the means for me to be a man, a father." Rhymes expressed how pursuing a career in hip-hop took time away from raising Sia. He explained, "Being able to wake my son up, give him breakfast, dress him, take him to school, go to work, come home at 5, help with his homework, read him a bedtime story. I didn't have a skill set that allowed me to deliver in that way." Despite his occasional absences, Sia is proud of his father's accomplishments. When Rhymes received the Lifetime Achievement Award at the 2023 BET Awards, his eldest shared a heartfelt message on Instagram congratulating him. "I am so proud of you, Dad," he wrote. "You have a huge heart and you love hard. Your passion is one of a kind and I'm happy I share that same trait. Thank you for your contribution to our family, to our community and to the world. If I have to share my father with the world, then best believe y'all will honor this man." Sia is close with his siblings, too. He often posts about his younger brother Trillian's rap career, sharing his songs and concert dates. According to his LinkedIn, Sia attended Quinnipiac University, where he played basketball, and graduated with a bachelor's degree in marketing in 2015. Sia currently works as an internal wholesaler for an investment management firm in New York City. Mariah Miskelly. Rhymes and Miskelly welcomed their daughter Mariah Miskelly in 1998. The rapper was confirmed to be her father when she was 1 year old, per Associated Press. Although little is known about her childhood, she appears to be on good terms with her dad. In 2017, Mariah posted a photo on Instagram of her with Rhymes and Sia at her high school graduation. "It's been a long road, but I did it, and to see you two after 2 long years and being on good terms again feels so good," she wrote in the caption. "I love you both and I only hope God further brings us joy and happiness." A few years later, the whole family went out together in January 2024, and Mariah posted about the occasion on Instagram. The crew got together again in June for a Chris Brown concert. According to her Instagram bio, she is a pianist, writer, and artist. In 2023, Rhymes collaborated with Mariah, who goes by Rai, Trillian, and Casey, who goes by CIE, on a song called Legacy for his 11th studio album Blockbusta. The rapper also had his 3 kids join him on The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon to perform the song later that same year. Mariah plays piano on the track and is featured in the music video.